time for me to wake up. I had to find my way out of a bad dream. And when the morning light came through the snow like dust into my bloodstream, I couldn't see it, I sealed shut, but I could hear someone say trust.
Now what a year it has been for us so far, with the birth of our son Leo. And now to top it all off, I finally get to call you my wife. You're the yin to my yang, and you complete me. Seeing you blossom into the most amazing mum to Leo only makes me love you more. You make me laugh, you push me to get better, and you support me in everything I do. And I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. You are my rock, and I love you with all my heart. And on that note, I would like to raise a toast to my beautiful wife, Darshini.
It's time to feel the light now. It's time to feel the light. Hold high your head up from the shadows. You're almost through the night. Hold out. You walked through miles of darkness. You stared all of your